Welcome back, guys. So right now we have the content we created earlier on, the images that we've generated, the 15 scenes that we generated. Here they are. But right now we want to create a sound design. We used MusicFX to create the visual, the images that we want to convert to videos later on. So this is MusicFX right here. So right now I want to use the MusicFX DJ to create the sound design for this particular script we just created visuals for. So what I'm going to do is to go to MusicFX DJ, and right here you'll be able to use prompts to create a sound design that fits perfectly into your script. How do we go about that? I'm going to show you right away. So right now let's try to go back to our Gemini, and here on our Gemini we are going to try to create a prompt that addresses that. So what we're going to do is to create a sound design kind of prompt that we can use on MusicFX for this particular script. So I'm going to write the prompt right now. I'm just going to create a simple prompt that says create a sound design prompt for this script. Let it fit into the style and effect of this particular documentary, something like that. So we're going to have that as our prompt. So we're going to get a prompt out that can create a sound design for us on MusicFX. So you don't have to worry about copyright. You don't have to worry about looking for songs or background sound to use. You can easily design your sound yourself from the very onset by using prompts, and that's what we're trying to achieve here. So I have a prompt right here which says create a sound design for this script. Let it fit into the effect and style of this documentary. Make sure you mention where you want to create the sound design from, which is the MusicFX. So you have to mention it. So as you could see right now, I'm trying to refine the prompt to be create a sound design prompt for this script that I could use on MusicFX DJ, which is this. I'm going to delete all the previous prompts, which I have a delete button right there. Then now I can include a new prompt right here. So to include the prompt I just created, all I have to do is to make sure my prompt is okay. I could go ahead to refine it, but I'll leave my ideas. You could go ahead to use refinement to refine the prompt. So let me have it sent. When I have it sent, I'm going to have my prompt sound design that I could use on MusicFX to get the sound design for this particular documentary. So let's copy out the prompt right now to this very end. Then I'll come back here to MusicFX DJ to paste the prompt. So once I have the prompt pasted, all I have to do is to add it. Once I add it, easily I've gotten a sound design this way because of the prompt. So what I'm going to do now is to play the sound. So let's hear what the sound sounds like. So when I play the sound, it makes more sense to me as I was playing. You could increase the BPM, yes, which would add more tempo to what you're doing. And you could do, or you could change the key. There are keys to it, so you could change that. You could increase the drums, the bass, and other. So you could just explore this, and you can just simply use your prompts to create whatever you want to create. So we've gotten a sound design for our documentary. Now all we have to do is to share so that we can have this downloaded on our local storage. Then all I have to do is to click on this link to check new tab, and here in the new tab I'll be able to see the download button right here. So you could see the download button right here. All I have to do is to download out the sound that I could use with the video at the very end. So here is me downloading the sound, and that is how we can use MusicFX DJ to make our sound design, or to design our sound for whatever script we wrote or whatever video we are trying to make. So I have the sound right here. I could just simply rename it to my background sound so I can have it in my folder. So I'm going to generate another type of sound that we're going to blend together with this. I hope to see you in the next lesson where we get to do that. We're going to blend together with MusicFX, and let's see how that goes for us. Hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.